Back on this Thursday morning, they are the men and women on the front line to help keep us healthy and safe. And this year, health departments across the state joining together to celebrate 125 years of service from the Florida Department of Health. And one of the longest running health departments is here in Leon County. And joining me this morning is Leon County Acting Administrator Holly Kirsch and former Administrator Art Cooper. Good morning to you both.
Good morning. Good morning.
Certainly appreciate it. This is a big milestone. 125 years of health service. How significant do you guys see the role of health department in local communities?
Well, there's a lot of programs and policies that we are involved with, have created over the years, and to help the communities across the state and in Leon County to stay healthy, to stay safe. So there's a lot of things that people don't see that we're doing. There could be environmental health issues, food safety issues, vaccinations that we do that people don't see, but that does help and keeps the community safe.
And Art, before we came on, you said there's really 3 big programs that you see that have really made significant contributions to health.
Yeah, over the years in Leon County, we have a very committed community to the public's health. And our maternity program that we created was almost a universal access to health care. Our dental efforts, from fluoridation of the water supply in Leon County to having the largest dental public health clinic in the state here, are very significant programs, as well as primary health care here in Leon County that have been developed under the initiative of the health department with community partners.
Certainly science and technology has changed over the years, especially in the past 125 years. The viruses, the diseases, and how we address those. Where do you guys see moving forward the addressing needs to be? What are the issues out there looking forward that should be targeted?
Well, to me, the 2 biggest issues we have in Leon County that have not been addressed sufficiently, first is mental health. We need to have mental health services available, accessible, and accepted by the community just as physical health is. And the second area that we need to really be developing in is educating our public and helping them to take that education into action so that they realize decisions they're making today, lifestyle decisions, will potentially prevent diseases 20 or 30 years down the road. It would be very easy if we were doing something that prevented disease from happening next week. You take an action now, and next week you don't get whatever the disease that's coming through, like an influenza shot. It's much more difficult when you're dealing with something like diabetes, hypertension, when you realize what you eat and how you exercise today can influence what happens to you 30 years later.
Interesting trends, and it's very interesting to see how health trends change over the year. I know you guys are going to be talking about that more coming up. A local celebration to help celebrate 125 years of the Florida Department of Health. The Leon County Health Department going to be hosting a celebration on Friday, 3 to 5 at the Richardson Lewis Health Center. That's at 872 West Orange Avenue in Tallahassee. We'll have all the details up on our website, WTXL.tv. Holly and Art, thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much for having us.